as you know, I left you hanging at the end of last video. It was dark. I really didn't want to show the truck off in bad lighting. I didn't really, you know, it just wasn't working. Funny story, right? Now I understand YouTube, you're supposed to put everything that happens in your life on YouTube, like right away, all that nonsense. But actually I've been driving the truck for about a day now, or like I drove it this morning, I guess I should say, like when you're seeing this video. I'm gonna cover everything I went over, but it took me 44 minutes to get pulled over. So within 44 minutes I got a fix-it ticket because the headlights are a little too tall. I guess California doesn't have a rule on lifts, but the headlight height cannot be taller than 54 inches, and it's 62. So there's that. So we gotta fix that. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see, obviously, I posted that I was flexed out on this rock right here. Not very tall, but, you know, just showing you that it worked. So you guys know that the truck has been driving, it has been moving, it's still together, it's still, sorry, I'm looking down, it's so tall, I can't even see. I still have things to wrap up. I still have to wrap up the, like, mounting the shock mounts, just kind of get them tied there, which, yeah, this is probably pretty ghetto, but I just wanted to drive it, you know, it's been a while. Exhaust is pretty much in, I got it mounted up, all pretty legit, so I think it looks good. All is well. The exhaust is kind of ghetto because the way the twins are and the flex pipe I had to use. I'm gonna try and get some 90s and change it up a little bit because it just kind of puts a downward pressure on the exhaust. I don't really like it on the downpipe, but other than that, everything's pretty sound, pretty good. What did I wrap up? I tightened everything. Oh, eyeball alignment, by the way, spot on. Spot on. I didn't even, it drives straight as an arrow down the road. Perfectly straight. I can let go of the wheel and it drives. But now to cover kind of how it drives, super smooth. Probably need a sway bar, but that's, you know, minor details. It's a little like, it torques a little bit when you drive, especially with the manual. It's kind of a little, like, if you're really getting on it in gear, which I'm still breaking the clutch in, which is for 400 miles. I'm not really beating on it too bad. It does smoke like a pig. It rolls serious coal because of the manual, the 38s. I'm sure they don't help. But I will say, driving on the 38s, not that bad. It's not that bad at all. With stock gearing, ZF6 truck, not that bad at all. But that's kind of covers everything up. I got the brake lines on. I still, like, I need to mount everything. There's a lot of cleaning left to do. We still got like 3 weeks before the show. I gotta get a bumper or something done, or put mine back on, or whatever, you know. I'm gonna do that today just so I can get to base, because I'm gonna drive it today. I'll probably get pulled over a few more times, but we'll see. And other than that, make sure this ain't rubbing through. Not yet. Maybe a little bit. Probably zip tie that up. But anywho, enough talking today. Enough talking. That's coming loose. There's a few of these I wasn't really able to tighten, so I gotta go back and tighten them up a little bit. But everything's holding up great. Everything drives great. It really does. But I guess we should just go for a drive now. It's, you know, we'll go for a drive around here so I don't get pulled over again. But use a drone, we'll get some good footage. as you can see, everything works pretty good. Nothing's cracking yet. Nothing's broken, nothing's falling off yet. And it flexes pretty good. So, definitely pretty stoked about it, guys. Yeah, it's doing good, doing good. Good clearance. Money. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Just kind of want to get an edit up there for you guys to see the truck in action. Tomorrow I plan on doing like a in-cab driving with some GoPros, other places and stuff, just to kind of show you, to talk about like the actual driving it, like how it goes. So don't think I'm skipping out on that. I will be going over that here shortly, so expect that video next few days following this one. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you as always for watching. If you guys have any questions or any types of videos that you want me to go over regarding the truck or doing anything, there's only so much I can do right now, still testing, but everything seems to be holding up just fine. But please just drop it in the comments, let me know what you guys want to see, what you want to know. Basically, we're going to be just reviewing and figuring out this truck for a while. The rear lift should be here Friday, and we should be good to go. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.